Yo, I'm the Bronx Geek, and finally, I got me a quad box, and I have my little cutting tool. I'm gonna do a small little unboxing. I'm gonna get straight into it. Then I'm gonna come back on the camera, and I'm gonna talk about a few things before. Let me not hold you guys up. Let's get into it. So I got a quad box. Let's open this up. Blah blah blah. Da 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 da. Ooh, dee, 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 dee. I'm kind of excited, let me tell you that much. Because I never purchased one of these things. And it's my first one, so let's get into it. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. I don't think you guys are ready for this. Alright, don't say sure. We got some racing props. Propellers T5150 from Racing Props. I don't know who it. Oh, from T-Motor. Okay. So we have some T-Motor props. Liking that. One bag. You know what I'm saying? We getting some tools. You know what I'm saying? Hex drivers and all that good stuff. I was needing some. And what's this? A laser. Trans Tech. What is this? Laser Tech light. I have no idea what this is, but a racing copter. Okay. We got some stickers. Yeah. And my favorite thing right now. Ooh, yeah. I ain't even gonna look at it. I'm gonna let y'all see it straight off. The rip. Yeah. Nothing else. I got a boost box. Let's check this out real quick. Alright. FPV is not a crime. Ooh, I can't wait for the summer to come out. Throwing that on. Dope ass t-shirt. Like this. I'm at against it. But yeah, I don't know. What the hell is this? Back to the Oregon. Let's just open this up real quick on the camera. So I got some stickers with this, some props from T-Motor, a paper for a shout out. Oh, it's a frame. Wild card tool sets, the limited edition stickers, coupon code quad box get okay, 15% off. Trans Tech for partnering with this awesome frame. I gotta see what this frame about, cause also I'm a subscribed member to Drone Drop, and I got 2 boxes from them. I had got the box cutters, and also I have got a set of ESCs that I can use with those box cutter motors. You know what I'm saying? I hope y'all don't get mad that I combined my stuff, but to each his own. You pay for what you get. Let's open up this beautiful frame real quick before I have to do a retake. Boom. My first authentic frame. Let's do a little, see that? The decals. If you can hear the noise, sorry, I don't have the proper setup yet, but I'm working on it. Oh, they got a nice little sticker down here. Copter. Oh, yeah, y'all. Let's get it. Oh, I still ain't open it. It's a thick ass sticker. Oh. Boom. Okay. 22. Oh, so it's a 5-inch frame. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, 22 to 23. Yeah. Oh, I got me a dope ass frame to give you a TPU mount with some straps and all of that. Never had that. Nice good bag of the hardware. Some dummies, screws, mounts. That's dope. Ooh, look at this nice ass frame. Small, compact. Ooh, I like this. yeah, some foam. I'm sorry, I'm completely destroying the box from Trans Tech, back to the origins. But yeah, thanks Quadbox. I'm so sorry for emails now. Alright about that. So yeah, things that I wanted to say real fast before I have to do a retake. Um I was upset with Quadbox because I ordered in February, and I want to give them a big apologies because I didn't know that the box was going to contain all of this great stuff. I'm gonna tell you now, if you haven't subscribed to Quadbox, subscribe now. They got different kind of subscriptions you can purchase. I got the highest one because it's first one. I want to get a nice T-shirt for summer. Real quick, I'm I'm FPV pilot in New York City. Here are my two quads. Hopefully I don't make my table fall. But I have my 6S rig right here, and I have a 4S along with this new frame with the box cutter motors I am going to put on. I currently fly a Fox here F405 and also a Helio Spring V2 board with a 4-in-1 ESC with the Helio, and I have separate ESCs on my Fox here F405 because, as you know, I can't wait to build on this frame and see what these props and motors and combinations. Oh man, I'm really amazed at this. I never had a frame with a TPU mount. Oh my god, now I gotta get a camera and a new flight controller. But stay tuned because I'm going to be get my hands on a Schizo flight controller and a Schizo ESC as soon as I can. This is a shout out to Quadbox for an apology for giving them such a hasty email the other day. I'm sorry about that. So yeah, enough said. Oh wait, one more before I go. My gear that I use Fly Sky Nirvana with a Crossfire Micro TX, as you see here. Oh shit. And I have a pair of Fat Sharks HDO with a rapid fire, paired with a rapid fire. That's my gear so far. I upgraded from my old box goggles. If you guys want this, if you're new to FPV, let me know. Hit me up in the comment. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe for more updates and more content coming out on this channel. I am not a new pilot, but I am probably new to the scene. Thanks for watching. As you can see, I'm not used to doing this, but as they say, just shoot. Major shout out to a few people real fast. I want to shout out to Underground FPV, Warwick, my man, the RC Addict, great dude, Kebab FPV. My main man, Schizo, I chatted with him a couple of days ago. We got 8-Bit Chris. All these guys, you can follow them on Instagram or also look them up on YouTube. I got 8-Bit Chris. Sorry if I forgot a couple of people, but yeah, just stay tuned. I might come back to you with a time lapse of a build for this frame, so stay tuned. Thanks.